Meteorites are rare fragments of rock or metal that come from outer space and survive their journey through Earth's atmosphere. Many people mistake ordinary Earth rocks for meteorites, but with a few simple tests, you can examine a suspicious stone at home and learn whether it might be the real thing. This guide explains the most reliable DIY methods and signs to look for when identifying a meteorite. Number 1. Check the weight and density. Meteorites, especially iron meteorites, are surprisingly heavy for their size. Test. Hold the stone in one hand and a similar-sized regular rock in the other. If the meteorite feels much heavier, it might contain iron-nickel metal, a key meteorite trait. Number 2. Use a magnet test. Most meteorites are magnetic because they contain iron. How to test? Take a small, strong magnet, like a neodymium magnet. Bring it close to the stone. Results. Strong attraction could be an iron meteorite. Weak attraction could be a stony meteorite. No attraction, likely not a meteorite. 3. Look for a fusion crust. When meteorites enter Earth's atmosphere, they burn and form a thin, dark outer shell. Fusion crust characteristics: smooth, black or dark brown layer, slightly shiny or glassy texture, thinner than a millimeter. If the stone has a fresh black crust, it might be a recent fall. Number 4. Examine surface features. Regmaglypts. Iron meteorites often show thumbprint-like dents called regmaglypts. These unique shapes form during atmospheric melting and are a strong indicator of authenticity. 5. Check for metal flakes or shiny specks. Use a flashlight or phone light. Meteorites often contain metallic silver specks, iron-nickel particles. If the stone shines with metal flakes, it could be a meteorite, but avoid confusing it with common earth minerals like mica or pi. Number 6. Perform the streak test carefully. Meteorites usually leave no streak when rubbed on a ceramic tile. Earth rocks like hematite or magnetite leave colored streaks, red, brown, or black. Procedure: rub a corner of the stone on an unglazed ceramic tile. No streak, good sign. Colored streak, not a meteorite. 7. Inspect the inside, if possible. If you have a small chipped piece, look inside. Meteorites often show a mix of metal and stone, silver metallic veins, chondrules, tiny round grains in stony meteorites. Avoid breaking the stone unless necessary. Number 8. Avoid common meteor-wrong stones. These earth rocks are often mistaken for meteorites. Slag from factories, very common. Lava rocks, hematite, magnetite, basalt. If your stone looks bubbly or has holes, it's almost never a meteorite. 9. Advanced tests, optional. If you want more certainty, you can try. File test. Iron meteorites show shiny metallic filings. Nickel test. Meteorites contain nickel, unlike most earth rocks. These tests require kits but can be done at home. Conclusion. Identifying a meteorite at home is possible using simple tests like weight, magnetism, fusion crust, and streak tests. While these methods can strongly suggest a meteorite, the only way to confirm with 100% certainty is laboratory analysis. Still, if your stone passes several of these home tests, you may have discovered something truly extraordinary.